Jeffrey! Don't worry, buddy! Around and park the quick rundown of this. It's a really awesome setup. This EcoFlow battery hooked up to a DC input, and it's also running an output of a 12-volt freezer right now. It's got it at 16 degrees, so it's freezing everything inside of here, all the meat and everything like that. So while the motor is running, the vehicle input's about 88 watts and the freezer is drawing about 55 watts at full power, going down to 14 degrees. So we're gonna end up having a fully charged battery and just running off the car. So when we're at camp, we have all this battery power to use from. Let me see your truck. Yeah. Got the Jeep up front, Elvira taking lead. Brian's driving his truck. Ed, how's the weather?
That he did. And like he was like 60 years old, bro. Dude still wakes up at like 4:30 in the morning. Fucking just.
You come up to my place, I'll take you to the right place.
So expensive.
Run.
Boom.
Run. Fort Lightfoot. He's also got another song called The Edmund Fitzgerald, which is about a freighter basically crashing in half in a storm in. Well, hello there.
What's going on?
Sunny.
It's funny. It's fucking sunny.
It's hot. It's fucking hot.
Yeah. Casualty, or at least the first injury. Jeffrey fell off. We got a low bridge here. I'm kind of worried about